Hi everyone, I'm Shanti, the artist behind Shanti Fine Arts. August is Oil Pastel Challenge month, and this year we have decided that the challenge is to take your favorite painting or painter or the painting style and recreate a painting of your own with oil pastels resembling or taking inspiration from that particular painting artist or style. So this is my take on Picasso's Cubism and a little version of abstract. Now I have to say that this is my take since I am not at all any expert at abstracts or cubism. So I tried my best and this is what I came out with. Let's watch the process. By the way, during the video process, my camera did not record parts of the video, so we are missing a little bit of clips, but I guess you'll get the whole idea in general.
As I already mentioned, I am not very knowledgeable about abstracts and cubism. So what I thought how I would handle this painting is just treating the entire painting by breaking it down into blocks and shapes and treating each individual block and shape as an area. And what I did is I tried to go by the simple rule that each block is each section is a separate block, and in each block I put darker colors of the similar type on the edge or the outer edge or the border, you may say, in that matter. And the insides I've put lighter colors, and that is how I've created and dealt with each and every block. So lighter in the middle or certain areas and darker on the sides. That's the general principle that I've followed in the entire painting. And at the very end, what I felt was that since I went for really bold colors everywhere all over the painting, the abstract figures that I have tried to create kind of got lost in the background. So if I would do this again, if I had to do this again, or if I had to had an opportunity to change anything over here, what I would have done is I would keep a lighter color or a darker color for the figures and go for a completely contrasting palette for the background and the areas. So yes, I would still go with the blocks, but I would create a little difference of the color pattern that I followed between the figures and the background, and that would, I think, increase the contrast and thus make the painting a little bit more prominent. But as I said, I am no expert on cubism or abstract, so this was a very experimental project, and I am happy that I could do something. So feel free to share your thoughts and knowledge with me and educate me on this one. And do not forget to leave your comments and let me know what you think about this kind of art, because like I said, I'm not very knowledgeable about this one, but I wanted to create something with abstract and cubism. One of the reasons is because it is Oil Pastel Challenge month, and the idea is to get follow an inspiration of a painting or an artist and then recreate something of the same sort. The other reason was because this is oil pastel, and Picasso was the founder of oil pastels. Picasso, with combination of Sennelier Company, actually came up with the concept of oil pastels. So I thought I had to do something abstract or something related to cubism to give a tribute to this particular medium and an occasion of this oil pastel challenge. That is all that I have for this particular painting. Let me know your thoughts about this painting, and if you're not already subscribed, do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so that you get notified every time in the week I post a new video. Thank you for watching.